Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car waxes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Chemical Guy's Butter Wet Wax. Compared to some of the other brands on this list, Chemical Guy's is a relatively young pup. Heck, using the same yardstick, some of the editors on this channel aren't too old, either. This ego-boosting revelation helps this product land atop our list. It's more than that, of course. This carnauba-based wax has great reviews from nearly 4,000 customers and lays claim to providing a deep and wet look to automotive paintwork. Coupled with the good juju garnered by this brand thanks to its high-quality product, your editor has been full of it paid with his own money. That's more than enough to recommend this wax. Pros: great brand, excellent results. Cons: piddly little 4-ounce bottles are sold for reasons unknown. Number 2. Our second best pick is Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. Gearheads long of memory will recall the Saturday morning power block of television programming, one in which Barry Meguiar himself used to present a show about classic and collector cars. There would be plenty of not-so-subtle product placement, of course. Had this stuff been around back then, it surely would have made an appearance. The company says it contains the latest advanced hybrid SiO2 technology, which my high school chemistry tells me stands for silicon and oxygen. They also say it applies like a traditional liquid wax and is easy to use. Pros: non-whitening on non-painted trim and rubber gaskets. Cons: expensive for 16 ounces. Number 3. Our third best pick is Griot's Garage Best of Show Spray Wax. Here's a product that doesn't apply like a traditional wax, instead asking that it be sprayed on in a fine mist before buffing. Griot says its rich carnauba/polymer formula creates class-leading paint protection and is safe for use on paint protection films. Ceramic coatings, too, apparently. Reviews are strong, with nearly 1,000 customers combining for a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Given how picky Gearheads are about their car care products, that's remarkable. Advertised as a true carnauba, the wax content of Best of Show Spray Wax is said to add 2-3 times the durability of other spray waxes to your car's paint finish. This gives longer protection between uses and means you can spend more time driving your car instead of waxing it. A gallon bucket is available for refills. Pros: easy spray application. Cons: they'll try to upsell you the detailer. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Armor All Car Wax Spray. Last summer, whilst shopping for a second-hand pickup truck, your editor had the misfortune of climbing aboard a Ram 1500 which had so much armor all applied to its interior I nearly slipped off the seat and onto the vinyl floor. Hockey rinks are not as slippery. The seller was attempting to cover up the stifling smell of cigarette smoke, created by a previous owner who must have consumed 3 packs a day, such was the stench. It's unfortunate that's the first thing that pops to mind when I hear this brand name, since Armor All is a brand that has been around forever and makes a number of quality products, including this spray wax. As a spray, it offers a fast and easy application that apparently requires no buffing. It can be used on wet or dry surfaces, which is very handy if you're trying to hit the road and leave car washing duties till the last minute. Perhaps I'll pick up some of this stuff to change my perception of the brand. After all, the actions of that salesman weren't their fault. Pros: single-step application, no buffing required, wet or dry application. Cons: chance of using too much thanks to a spray nozzle. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Mirror Shine Torque Detail. Just because I've never heard of a brand doesn't mean it should be dismissed like a Facebook rumor. After all, that's why we read the reviews that go with these things before putting them in our recommended lists. In racing, it is generally accepted that horsepower is how fast you crash into the wall while torque is how far you move the wall. Turns out, Torque is also a brand name of car wax products, a company that's been racking up positive reviews while expanding its product line. This spray product apparently comes with a 60-day refund program if you don't like the results. Pros: big reviews, discounts for 2 bottles or more. Cons: relatively unknown brand. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.